Friends, in today's episode, we want to talk about what the new bill, the bipartisan bill that was introduced just yesterday, February 4th. Welcome to Green Card Guys TV. I'm your host, John Ting. We represent clients all across the world in all 50 states of America, and we are here to be your immigration problem solver. Now, if you're new to our channel, please subscribe down below, smash the like button if you like our content, and please share our video with your friends. Now, yesterday, a bill was filed by Senator Dick Durbin out of Illinois. He's a Democratic senator, and the co-sponsor is Republican Senator Lindsey Graham out of South Carolina. Now, you may have heard of these senators in the past. They have filed the Dream Act several times before. Actually, in 2019, Lindsey Graham filed a Dream Act himself. And we'll share that with you right now so you get an idea. So I'm showing you here the congress.gov website. This is where we track all legislation, all bills that could potentially become laws in the future. And this is from 2019 Dream Act, Senate Bill 874 from Lindsey Graham. And this was all that happened here on the status was introduced. And it was only read twice at the committee level, Judiciary Committee. That's expected because this is when it was under President Trump's administration. And we all know that Trump does not like immigrants, or he at least pretended like he didn't like immigrants. But this will be similar to what the bill that Dick Durbin filed, because they just filed the same thing over and over. I'm going to scroll down here so you can see what could be make someone not eligible for DACA. And that's someone who has a criminal offense on a federal level, state level, that has a maximum term of imprisonment of more than 1 year. So even if a person served less than 1 year in jail, that doesn't mean that you're eligible. It means that by the books, by the code, the actual offense on the book have to be less than 1 year. So you have to take a look at that very closely. It also says that if there's 3 or more offenses on the federal level or state level where someone was in jail for aggregate, meaning like a accumulation total of 90 days or more. So there are situations where you could be not eligible. You want to be careful of that. But of course, just like DACA, you do want to have some kind of GED if you do not have a high school diploma. Okay, so and of course, the important thing here, just like DACA, it prevents the government from removing you from the country. So that is very important. It's saying here, at least on this version from 2019, that it is valid for 8 years, your permanent resident status. Now, that is a long time. And that's why the Biden proposal was for 5 years resident status. And then you can apply to become a citizen. So hopefully they cut this down and not have it for such a long time. It's really not necessary. All right, friends. So I'm here at congress.gov again, but this time I'm showing you what the bill looks like that Senator Dick Durbin filed yesterday on the 4th of February. This is Senate Bill number 264, a bill to authorize a cancellation, removal, and adjustment of status for certain individuals who are longtime U.S. residents and enter the United States as children. So, AKA, also known as the Dream Act. And this is pretty interesting how he titled this, because it makes me believe he's trying to potentially include more people who are not the quote unquote dreamers. Okay, so possibly not just for DACA, but we all know that according to the news, they want to call it the Dream Act. Maybe to get some Republicans on board and then slip in more people, hopefully. So there's not been much action. It's only been read twice at the committee level, in the Judiciary Committee, and it's only been introduced. Here, there's a tracker here. So it's only been introduced, and there's no text. It's just the basic information here in the title. Okay, so once we get more information about this bill specifically, we've created an alert for ourselves right here. So, and you can do the same. You can go to congress.gov to get this information. But if you don't have time, don't worry. We will keep you updated, all right? Now, as you know, DACA is only a temporary status right now. Some people do get confused. because you are able to work because it's really a work permit. But technically by law, since this is done by created by President Obama, the executive branch, and not Congress, it does not provide you legal status to live in America. So I know it can be confusing. That's why at least DACA can prevent ICE from removing or deporting a person who has DACA. So, and that's why even more important that this DREAM Act needs to pass, or at least some kind of immigration bill that includes dreamers. Of course, I understand it needs to include a lot more people, but in specific to dreamers, if this DREAM Act passes, then of course it provides more protection from being deported. Now, even when someone in general becomes a resident, criminal offenses can put you in a situation back into immigration court. So that in that immigration court, anytime you hear that phrase, that is the government's way of trying to remove you from the United States. There's a process, okay? So we can talk about that in a separate video. But for today, I want to explain that yes, a new bill, the DREAM Act, was filed yesterday, February 4th. So that is the update right now. And of course, this is like plan B, basically. So, and I agree with you, this is not the best bill out there, but it is a start because it is a bipartisan perspective. 2 senators, 1 senator from each side, each party is moving forward with this. And we will keep you updated as soon as there gains more traction, more interest in it, or if Democrats will come up with a different proposal that probably Republicans will not agree with, and they'll just have to continue forward without Republican support, because we all learned something from President Obama administration in those 8 years. You have to take advantage of the situation, even if you have slim margins with Democrats in control. You have to take advantage of it and just forget the Republicans. So we'll see what they're gonna do. This will be very interesting, and we will keep you updated. Friends, if you're new to our channel, please subscribe down below. Smash the like button if you love our content. Please also share our video and go ahead and watch our next video. You'll learn a lot more about what Biden's plan is all about. And until next time, continue wearing a mask. Take care.